Hey there, math adventurers. Welcome back to Reading Readiness Centers, where we are taking our addition skills to the next level with advanced addition strategies. In Grade 2, we learned the basics of addition. And now we are ready to explore some exciting new techniques. Get ready for an incredible journey into the world of math, where we'll uncover amazing tricks, unleash a little magic, and make math even more fun. So, let's dive right in. In Grade 2, we learned some fantastic additional strategies, like using counters, dice, tens frames, counting on, number lines, doubles, and commutative properties. These were great for smaller numbers. But what happens when we are dealing with larger digits, like 4 or 5 digits? Well, that's where carrying comes in, and it's like a superpower that helps us add big numbers. Let's start with a 4-digit example. 3,245 plus 2,981. Here's how carrying works. First, we start with the rightmost digits, the ones place. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Then, we move to the tens place. 4 plus 8 equals 12. Instead of writing 12, we write down 2 in the tens place, and carry over the 1 to the hundreds place. Next, in the hundreds place, 1 plus 2 plus 9 equals 12. We write down 2 in the hundreds place, and carry over 1 to the thousands place. Finally, in the thousands place, 1 plus 3 plus 2 equals 6. We write down 6. So, 3,245 plus 2,981 equals 6,226. Carrying, as you can see, ensures that we add each place value correctly. It's a vital skill that allows us to tackle more significant numbers and solve more complex math problems. Now, let's take it up a notch with 5-digit addition. 12,354 plus 9,821. Here's a bit more explanation. Starting with the rightmost digits, the ones place. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Moving to the tens place. 5 plus 2 equals 7. In the hundreds place. 3 plus 8 equals 11. We write down 1 in the hundreds place, and carry over 1 to the thousands place. In the thousands place, 1 plus 2 plus 9 equals 12. We write down 2 in the thousands place, and carry over 1 to the 10,000s place. Finally, in the 10,000s place, 1 plus 1 equals 2. We write down 2. So, 12,354 plus 9,821 equals 22,175. As you can see, even with more significant numbers, carrying ensures that we add each place value correctly, step by step. It might seem challenging, but with practice and a clear understanding of the process, you can master advanced addition like a pro. What an amazing adventure through advanced addition strategies and our journey into carrying. If you had a blast, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, And hit that subscribe button for more math magic on our Reading Readiness Center's channel. Keep shining, keep adding, and keep exploring the fantastic world of numbers.